January, you pretend to see life clearly, daily. February is a time that you put the evil eye and the pride aside for the fantasy of getting married. Very scary. March got you already second guessing titles. April, spring is here just like a spring, you start to spiral. May bring some warmer days, poolside getting very tan. June, hey, you're moving ice cold, going back and forth with a married man. July, that's when I found out. July, August, it was baby this, baby that, like yeah, your two's tied. September, we falling off, but I'm still the man you tryna win over. October is all about me, cause your turn should've been over. November got your mood board in for next year.